guys, welcome back to our next video channel. Today we are doing the upstairs bathroom and tearing out the carpet.
It's not carpet.
This morning.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be working on is we're going to be removing this fixed floor from the upstairs bathroom, preparing the wall for tiling, the bathroom wall for tiling, and then we're going to be sanding the dining room down and hopefully the bathroom. I don't know whether the bathroom sanding will happen today, but we're going to be sanding the dining room down and preparing this for tiling. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, share our videos, and help us to support the channel and help us to hit our goal. But yeah, let's get to removing the tile or the fake carpet or whatever it is, Malachi called it, from the floor, and then we can go from there.
Ready, Malachi?
Yeah.
So yeah, this stuff is like basically an easy peel because it just stick on there. So I'm just gonna, there's no like special way to move it out. You just rip it out. Guys, the bathroom is all done with the mortar process, and I'm gonna let this stuff dry, and then I'll vaporize both the upstairs and the downstairs bathroom together. Alright guys, today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be sanding the dining room. I got my friend over to help me. He's also gonna be vaporizing or putting the waterproofing membrane in the upstairs bathroom while I'm sanding the dining room. We're gonna show you a little bit of him doing it, and then we're gonna show you the end process today. But I'm gonna be focusing on sanding the living room the dining room, and then working my way into the bathroom. But I won't do the bathroom just yet because I have to wait for the waterproofing membrane to dry. It dries pretty fast. And then you're probably gonna do like a second layer, and once that dry, and then we can sand the bathroom. Hey guys, so this is what the bathroom looked like after putting the waterproofing membrane in. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start sanding the walls over here in the bathroom. The dining room is fully done and ready to be primed. So now I'm gonna sand down the bathroom and get it done for priming and painting. Let's jump to the sanding process for the bathroom and get it done. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. We post video every Wednesday. Show all the love and support you can. Help us to build the channel, help us to hit our goals, help us to reach more people with our content. See you guys in the next video, and bye.